The 2025 Indian Challenger Elite is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of dominance, luxury, and engineering precision. Built for riders who demand the perfect balance of power and style, this machine sits at the pinnacle of Indian motorcycles' performance bagger lineup. From the moment it rolls into view, the Challenger Elite commands attention with its limited edition custom paint, premium finishes, and a stance that radiates confidence. It's not a bike that blends in. It's a bike that turns every ride into an event, every stop into a conversation, and every mile into a memory. Underneath its bold exterior lies the beating heart of this powerhouse. The liquid-cooled, 1,768 cubic centimeters PowerPlus V-twin engine, producing an impressive 122 horsepower and 128 lb-ft of torque. It delivers a surge of acceleration that feels almost endless, making highway overtakes effortless and spirited rides addictive. The 6-speed transmission shifts with precision, whether you're cruising at a relaxed pace or pushing the bike to explore its true performance potential. Combined with its belt-driven final drive and optimized gearing, the Challenger Elite ensures that power is always available right when you need it. But this bike isn't just about raw muscle. Indian has outfitted the 2025 Challenger Elite with state-of-the-art handling technology. The inverted front forks, rear Fox adjustable shocks, and cast aluminum frame deliver an exceptionally stable and responsive ride, even when you're navigating tight corners on winding mountain roads. Indian's Smart Lean technology, powered by a Bosch IMU, actively monitors the bike's lean angle and traction, seamlessly adjusting ABS, traction control, and torque delivery to keep the rider in total control. It's the kind of confidence-inspiring tech that makes a heavyweight touring bike feel surprisingly agile. Comfort has been elevated to a whole new level on this model. The Challenger Elite features a premium touring seat designed for all-day riding, along with a power-adjustable windshield that lets you dial in the perfect wind protection on the go. Heated grips keep your hands warm on chilly mornings, and the bike's ergonomics ensure that both rider and passenger enjoy a relaxed, commanding position. Whether you're tackling a cross-country journey or a weekend getaway, the Challenger Elite is built to make the ride as enjoyable as the destination. Indian hasn't cut any corners on the tech front, either. At the center of the cockpit is a 7-inch ride command touchscreen with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and Apple CarPlay integration. You can control your music, calls, and maps with ease, keeping your focus on the road ahead. The 400-watt power band audio system fills the air with crystal-clear sound, so your favorite soundtrack follows you wherever you ride. Multiple ride modes, rain, standard, and sport, let you customize the bike's performance to match your mood and the riding conditions.